So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Previously we have discussed about ps and a top command. That was just a touch of top. So what's the top command? It will show the dynamic real-time view of running processes and system things. Okay, so if you run the top, you get this type of information where PID, here's a PID. Okay, show the unique process ID. PR the process priority list, lower or higher. Then we are having wait, VIRT, wait, total virtual memory used by the task. User we are having, okay, we are having percentage of CPU, we are having time in CPU time, what's the time CPU has given to that process. Then we are having SHR, this represent the shared memory like size in KB, shared memory. Okay, then we are having NI, this is the nice value. Okay, accordingly nice value that priority will get set, percentage of memory, and then we are having RES, how much physical RAM the process is being used. This is the physical RAM and this is the virtual RAM. Okay, and here it's showing the command. So this how we can read this. You can use other thing also, top hyphen n10. So why we are digging hyphen n10? This is a count after 10 number of repetition it will exit. Okay, it's got exit from the thing. 10 times it's got update and then it get exit. You can use top hyphen u process also. Oh no, to is user Amit user is not running anything, and vagrant user is running this many thing. Okay, so according to user you can use top hyphen u. If you put root, you will get much more data. So what are the users are running process and what are the process they are running? You can do top hyphen u and the username. You can do top s. Okay, this is a secure mode of this top. You can do like top hyphen c. It will show closed states. Okay, closed states of the command. And you can do the delay time also, top hyphen d and second like 2 second delay we can say, but these are not useful. We are using simple top command, and sometimes we use like other user top hyphen u command we are using. So that's enough, but you should understand what are these PID, user ID, virtual RAM, physical RAM, CPU percentage, memory percentage, how much time it has consumed, what's the command name, what's the user. Okay, so this thing is enough. You can discover more, and you can run more few more steps. We will go in deep in this thing. Currently top command is showing how processes are running, which process are consuming space, and it's coming up and down. It keep on updating. Okay, so we will learn more how to see the process which is memory like consuming most of the memory, how to see the command which is finding most of the memory thing, CPU thing. So for that you can use top hyphen o percent mem. So it got filter memory wise, like this process is consuming most of the memory. Okay, and you can do head 16 17 whatever line you want. Same thing you can do top hyphen o percent CPU. So it will show you what are the process consuming most of the CPU. So this will get sorted, so you can sort the output of this thing. So I think this is enough for this top command, simple top command hyphen o with the like percent of CPU and memory. That's what we are using in our environment. That's enough. You should understand these things. If load average, will take a separate session for load average. Here you can see, okay, system is 93% 5, yeah, 96% ideal. Okay, only 3 or 4% is utilized. So system is running optimal. If user is coming and saying my system is slow, you can see load average and the CPU memory utilization. Accordingly, you get the idea. So keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.